what's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sunny, and as you guys know, I'm passionate about cars, BMWs, but today I want to show you another side of something that I'm passionate about, which is real estate. So today I want to take you guys along with me to a property that I currently own, that I'm in the process of getting ready to rent out. So I just want to give you guys a tour of it, let you guys see the steps that I had to take to get it ready, and the stuff that I'm currently doing to the property. So yeah, so this should be cool, so let's go. Alright guys, so I'm here at the property, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse style condo, and I got it for $84K, and now it's probably like worth close to 90K. So what I plan on doing with this is renting it out. When I got it, the wood trim throughout the house was wood, and I recently got a contractor to paint all the wood trim white. I had them keep the railings wood, just so that when people are touching them and going up and down the stairs, they don't get dirty. So I had them keep that wood. And the kitchen is over here. I still got some work to do in the kitchen. Having somebody come in to replace this stove. As you can see, it's very old and outdated. Want to put like a stainless steel stove in here, as well as a dishwasher, stainless steel dishwasher, and refrigerator. Eventually, not now, but down the line, I do want to replace the countertop. Probably put like some granite countertops on here. This is just my first property. I'm a beginner investor. I'm looking to rent this out and hold on to it until the value goes up, and then maybe sell it. If not, I'll just hold on to it and keep renting it out. Upstairs is the bathroom and the 2 bedrooms. So we go up here. So you have the master bedroom right over here. And there used to be wallpaper up here. They took down that wallpaper, they repainted this wall, repainted the trim. They also repainted the doors. I had the contractor repaint the doors. Over here is the bathroom. Regular looking bathroom. Then here is the 2nd bedroom. Nice size. Yeah, so I got a property management company to help me find a tenant and to rent it out. So we got a tenant. The tenant's supposed to be moving in a couple of weeks. And funny story about here, I made a very dumb mistake one time over the winter where I did not have the heat high enough, and when I got here, the pipes were frozen. It was snowing outside, and the property had been vacant for some time. And when I got back here, the pipes were frozen. The water faucet, you couldn't turn it on. The toilet water was frozen. And so when I got here, I turned on the heat, and I stayed in the property. I wanted it to warm up. But that was a big mistake. What I should have did was I should have turned off the main water supply. Then I should have turned on some of the faucets. Even though the pipes were frozen, I should have turned on some of the faucets, just so that when they unfreeze, water can slowly start to drip out. But I didn't do that. So what ended up happening was, as I was standing right over here, I heard a big burst, and water just started leaking from this ceiling over here, and the burst came from upstairs. So what I did was I ran downstairs, I turned off the main water supply, and then when I did that, I ran upstairs to see where that burst came from. And it turned out that the pipe faucet here in the bathroom, right behind here, had burst. So there was water like splurting out of here, and it was dripping downstairs on the living room ceiling floor. And they had to drill like a hole over here to get behind the pipe that had burst and just cap it so that the water would stop flowing everywhere. And downstairs I had a big hole in the ceiling with water dripping, and it was terrible. It was a nightmare. But luckily I was here when it happened, because I was able to turn off the main water supply, and I was able to, you know, kind of get things in order. If I wasn't here, I can't imagine what this place would look like if I wasn't here and that pipe burst and water would have just been flowing throughout the condo for who knows how long until I came back. And so that was a very expensive lesson that I had to learn. I'm just glad that I was here to catch it, because it could have been worse. And throughout the process, I managed to find a really good contractor who repaired the ceiling for me, made it like new, and fixed the pipe that had burst for me. And he's actually the one that I had paint the wood trim as well. So I'm thankful for that I got to meet him, and he's a really good contractor. So this is my first property, so I'm trying to rent it out. And the tenant, I'm looking to get $12.50 a month. So the tenant will be paying $12.50 a month. Out of my pocket, I'm paying, my mortgage is about $800 a month, and with the maintenance fees added to that, that's $200. So you're looking at $1,000 a month coming out of my pocket. So with the tenant paying $12.50, that leaves me with about $250 in cash flow. But then because I have a property management company, they're taking 9.9%. So I'd be paying them out of that $250 cash flow, roughly around $125 to the property management company. And so that leaves me with roughly $125 left to myself as cash flow. So it's not bad. It's not a lot, but it's not bad. You know, that extra, I mean, I can't complain. Who wouldn't want to have an extra $125 every month? You could put that towards, you know, maybe a gym membership, or, you know, you might have a car that you want to lease that's like your favorite, you know, your dream car. You know, that monthly cash flow can be put towards financing your dream car that you always wanted. And yeah, so I would definitely recommend anyone that's looking to get into real estate. Starting out, I would say what you want to do, you want to, you know, build up your credit, start saving your money. Looking back, if I could do it all over again, what I would have done, which I would recommend that you guys do, is get a duplex for your first home. That way you could live in one unit, and then you could rent out the other unit, and then the tenant that's living in the other unit could basically be paying your mortgage. So you're basically living for free. So that's one thing I wish I did when I started out the first time. So yeah, just, you know, passing along that information. And what I would also suggest is that when you're looking for properties like these, you want to make sure that the location is in a location that's like either near, like, you know, the mall, or near like the highways, just somewhere where people are going to be, you know, working, or if it's near like a hospital. Those are like ideal places you want to, you know, find properties. And eventually I want to move on to actually flipping properties, you know, find some. Now that I found this really good contractor, I feel a little bit more confident in going after properties that are, you know, that need work done. And, you know, bring the contractor out with me, have them look at the property, give me an estimate of like how much it would cost to repair such and such. And if, you know, if it works out, then, you know, you get the property, you flip it, you know, you do the repairs, renovate it, flip it, make your profit, and then go on to the next one. So that's something that I definitely want to start doing in the future. For now, just going to be renting this out to try to get some, you know, passive income, some extra income on the side, and eventually I want to have about like 10 of these, just all rented out and, you know, making some extra money. And as much as you guys know, I like cars, and I'm sure you guys like cars too. And shout out to Will Motivation. I like his channel where he talks about how he uses real estate to finance his supercars. Eventually, at some point, I want to be able to get a Lamborghini, you know, and I'd love to have a Lamborghini for the channel. So this is just like the first step for me. I'm still a beginner. I'm still learning the whole thing and figuring it out. And yeah, man, so I just wanted to share this with you guys to kind of let you guys see, you know, another way to make some extra money, and also a good way to build long-term wealth. So I hope this video, you know, inspires you, motivates you, and, you know, I appreciate you guys watching. And make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.